The moment a new year starts, most people think life will magically change. A fresh start, new goals, a better version of themselves. But here's the truth, nothing changes. And by 2026, most people will still be broke. Every new year, people say, this time, I'll change everything. They work harder, stay busy, feel motivated. But the problem isn't lack of effort. The real problem is this. The year changes, but their mindset doesn't. Their habits don't. Their system doesn't. That's why nothing really improves. The biggest reason people stay stuck is the comfort trap. Lying in bed, scrolling endlessly, telling yourself, I'll do it later. Your brain convinces you everything is fine, and that's where the damage starts. Over time, this distracted lifestyle becomes your identity. You quit goals. You lower expectations. You start believing you're just not focused, not smart enough, or not meant to be rich. Now think about the next 3 years. Technology will move faster, life will get more competitive, and in that world, only people with better systems will grow. That's why most people will waste this year too. But here's the good news. You don't need extreme discipline. You don't need a perfect routine. You don't need motivation. You just need to change small daily habits. Replace bad habits slowly with better ones. Because your daily choices quietly decide your future. It's already been months into 2026, and if nothing has changed yet, that's okay. But stop waiting for the perfect time. Change doesn't come from dramatic moments. It starts with one decision. Subscribe now. Don't wait for luck or motivation. Start controlling your choices today.